and gentlemen, they are the winners of Mr. and Miss Kids Bodoland 2023. And now a team will be giving them the check prize, which is sponsored by none other than one of our film production partner. Now I call upon the team flying route, and also I would like to call upon Mr. Pranay and Hilija to hand over this prize. So ladies and gentlemen, this is a check prize sponsored by Meherganang Film Production. And now I request Mr. Pranay to hand over the checks to Mr. Kids. Thank you very much.